Guys, we got a tornado warning.
Storms here rotating southernly here.
Look at us.
We also have across Wabunsee County. This one down to the south is going to be a tornado potential 5 miles southeast of Bolland, and it's moving east at 45 miles per hour. So we have three different rotating storms here. A couple of confirmed tornadoes that touched down with this, and certainly could see more out of this. But that was 5 miles southeast of Bolland and moving to the east at 45 miles per hour. So the location of that's going to be right there, moving toward towns like Hessdale and Eskridge would be in the path of this. We'll give you some time arrivals with that. We'll be looking at Eskridge if it moves to the southeast, 626, and if it goes toward Keene. It doesn't give me a time of arrival there, but over the next 10 minutes, Keene would be affected by that. Let's go back over to our tower camera. I want to see that.
There we are.
From Maple Hill again.
Right
this
there.
Is our WWW transmission tower.
Tornado.
Again, looking at the
Right
storms
there.
approaching.
Rain wrap.
Again, 5 miles south of Maple
There it is,
Hill.
right there.
But, very well may have
It's a big old
tornado there.
chain.
And there is a tornado being reported southwest of St. Mary's at 6:01.
Whoa.
And that was at just southwest of St. Mary's with that tornado on the ground in Pottawatomie County.
Okay,
Whoa!
601.
We got ourselves some
Yes.
lightning.
Okay. All right, so we have a tornado on the ground a few minutes ago. St. Mary's, Pottawatomie County, and looking at several tornadoes that touched down today.
There's a tornado.
How do you feel about this, Ty?
Tornadoes are tornadoes. We've had at least
Pretty good.
three of them, so far.
Now, how you feeling right now? Are you feeling scared?
Three different rotations. We'll go back to the radar here and show you where they are. First of all,
No,
we have one
I'm feeling pretty
southeastern
excited.
Pottawatomie County. This appears to have touched down.
Love you.
Crap, guys. We've got a tornado on the ground, guys. I'm not gonna say we're scared. I mean, I don't feel too bad about it. I feel okay. I mean, when it gets bad, it's when I get scared. But we're gonna go outside and give you a weather check.
That's not fun.
I'm doing
Probably need to go outside.
I'm doing a weather check.
Back up there. Doing some rare shit.
Here we are, guys. The temperature's about to drop, and here it comes, guys. Got a little bit of rain. I can smell a little bit, but we got some stuff. There's a wall cloud right over there. Crud, guys. This isn't good.
Guys, I found a foam cloud on the field. I found one. It was right outside. I found one.
Look at my finger, guys. Whoa.
Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Tree's blowing. Tree up there is blowing.
They really start to mess up when there's a tornado like
I think
Sean.
you're all excited. Whoa, whoa, what?
Okay, so
Is that a tornado?
Near Silver Lake at this time.
Okay, see, stupid camera.
What's going on in that area.
There we are,
Right now,
guys.
we
There
have
we are.
Several tornadoes that have touched down.
Yes,
and a couple
boy.
of confirmations are showing up here now.
Boy,
One that touched
boy,
down,
boy, boy.
Near St. Mary's.
Yeah.
St. Mary. We had one touchdown. Okay, you have Sean Wheat near Silver Lake at this
Wiener,
time.
wiener.
Sean, tell me what you got. What do you see? Okay.
got a wiener.
Okay, so this is near Silver Lake. Sean Wheat has a live camera there.
Oh, look.
And you can see the police lights out there as well. That's also close to where we had the big wildfire earlier this evening, and you can see
What?
how strong the
Oh, guys, trying to rip the door open. He's trying to rip
I
that.
forgot the mail.
Oh, God. It's not a good time to go get it now. Sorry, Mail. Thank you. We got a tornado, guys.
hard to tell
Right there.
what is smoke in there. I don't see what looks to be a tornado in there, fortunately, but certainly we could have one touchdown. That's the shelf cloud moving in, and a pretty amazing video there from Sean Wheat. It's live again.
Sean
Near
Wheat.
Silver Lake, looking off to the northwest. That's
Good
due
God.
west, and looking at
Guys, that's
Grover Downing shooting the video, and again,
Jeez.
seeing those firefighters like. Do you know if those
That's
lights are
pretty
firefighters that are
cool.
dealing with a fire out there?
Oh,
That is okay. So
We got
this
some
is the area you were
lightning,
showing
boy.
earlier where they were dealing with that
Well,
wildfire, that grass
we got some
fire,
fire.
and you could
We got
see
some
it on a tower
fireman
camera
police.
during,
We
13
got some
News at
fireman
5,
police.
and that smoke was virtually hugging the
So
ground.
you can see.
Hugging the
Firefighters
ground.
out there right ahead of this, and hopefully that rain will help with the fires.
Oh my
But
God.
at this point,
Sorry,
you
Mel.
got
We
several
won't get
fire
you.
crews out there
No
trying
time
to
to
get
get
that
Mel.
fire under control. Now they've got a
Sorry,
powerful
Mel.
storm moving through. All right, take me back to the radar if you guys will, back here at the
Sorry,
weather
Mel.
wall. And again, we have
God, there's
several
like
tornado
nothing
warnings
here.
still in place. We have a tornado warning right here that's for much of Shawnee County and also for Jackson County as well. We'll zoom in on this again, and you can see that the southern parts of Jackson County, this is where we had that tornado
Wiener.
touchdown a little while ago near Bellevue. It's this one, that's a
Yeah,
tornado from a few minutes
We're in
ago.
around here.
And
That
that storm's still
crap.
showing rotation,
Wait, no, we're
making
right
its way into southern
here
parts
is
of
where
Jackson
we're at,
County,
boy.
northern parts of,
So,
Shawnee
guys,
County
vlogging
as
about the
well.
tornado. I think we're gonna have one. Update you guys in the basement.
Shit.
I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on, guys. I really don't know and don't care. I mean, it's gonna be a big tornado. Don't care. Give me some cheeses, boy. Cheeses, get up, cheeses. What kind of basketball player is that? What would you be playing on a cheesy box? You be playing on a cheesy box? That idiot, he playing on cheesy box. Jesus. Cheese boy, you playing on cheesy box? Yeah, so there we go. I'll just give you another weather check outside. It's probably not that bad. But my dad's trying to get the Jeep in. He's right there, around there. Take a walk outside. Hey girl. Hey puppy tuppy tuppy. Put my boots on. Here we go, got my boot on. Whacking them boots down there. Nope, guys. Nope, dogs. Freaking plane up there. What kind of idiot is that? Why would he be flying a plane when there's a freaking tornado warning? Dad, there's a tornado on the ground around here. What? Well, they'll light them up. We'll hear some sirens. They're real scared out in Wamego right now. In Wamego, it's tearing through the little town. Freaking dang. What? Well, it's coming towards us. Poor ducks out there. Whatever. Till they hear that big old tornado siren, they'll be scared. Scared to death. Yep. We lost power in the garage. Weird. Got the grill, that's it. Gee, good hamburgers, man. Yummy. Whatever, guys. It's about to get bad. I'm gonna probably get out here and get a good shot out here on the field. Try to get out here on the field. Look at that. That one cloud, just alone. Lone cloud. Oh, boy. Woo. What's wrong with the camera, dude? The power's going out. Let's just turn it back on. There we go. Whatever. I had to edit that out. I'll just edit that out when I get other times. Check this out, guys. Okay, we got rain. Got rain. I hear the rain. Is the rain hitting the camera? Rain hitting it. Oh, God. We got wind. I don't know about the rain yet, guys, but let's look up and see what we got for rain. Oh, boy. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, we're starting to get nailed. Look at this, guys. This camera in the water. I don't even know. But it's surviving rain right now. At least it said it was rubber. I'll just get a warranty on it. Freaking whatever. Here we go, guys. Freaking storm. I'm gonna go get the mail. I'm gonna go get the mail in this thing, guys. Oh, y'all, we got ourselves a tornado. Here, y'all, got ourselves a tornado here. Here, tornado. Look at that. Wall cloud, wall cloud. Wall cloud right there. Right there, we got a wall cloud. Holy crap, I'm getting serious about this crap now. Freaking wall cloud. Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. Where's the sirens at? You ding dongs, you know how to warn people?